Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the AMD version of the Lenovo IdeaPad 3-1-7-2021 and what's inside of it. To get inside of this laptop, you need to undo all 10 Phillips head screws. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. This device is sold with either 38 or 45 watt-hours battery pack. There is one SODIMM slot that works in conjunction with the soldered 4 GB of RAM. Additionally, you get one M.2 slot for storage, as well as an optional 2.5-inch SATA device, depending on the battery size. In terms of cooling, there is one heat pipe and a medium-sized fan. Also, there are some cooling elements on the VRMs. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.